Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about how to make money online in the UK with Amazon eBay arbitrage. Now, if you don't know what Amazon eBay arbitrage is, it's mainly dropshipping. And if you don't know what dropshipping is, hold on because I'm going to show you. So let's head over to eBay. Actually, let's head over to Amazon. Now, what we essentially do is find products on Amazon, list them on eBay, then every time the item sells, we take that money, take it over to Amazon, buy the product and have it shipped directly to our customer, and we pocket the difference after eBay fees and PayPal fees. Now, Amazon is not the only retailer you can use. You can use other ones in the UK like Tesco, Asda, Argos. There's so many different ones, but the easiest one to start with is Amazon. Now I'm just going to find a product and show you. So let's put in kitchen. Let's put in kitchen gadgets. Now I'm just doing this to show you that other people are already doing this. So let's scroll down, just find a product. Hold on. Let's try this one. Now all I'm going to do is take the title. I'll take some of it. Let's take it from there. Copy. Take it over. Put it in the search bar and press enter. Now if you want to know how to do eBay dropshipping properly, I suggest going through and watching one of my playlists up here in the right hand corner, so you can get a better understanding of how this business model works and actually how to do it properly. This is just an introduction showing you that it can be done. Now, as we see over on Amazon, just go back, it is £14.99 on Amazon. And then there are people on eBay selling it for £22.99. Scroll down, try and find someone a little bit more dearer. Wait, what colour is it? It's a black one. It's mainly these two. So £22.99 he's selling it for. I can confirm that he does get it from Amazon, because if I scroll down to his description, scroll down a little bit more, if I go to his description, right click and search in Google, it will pull up the supplier that he is using, and this will be Amazon, as we can see just here, Amazon. Black one. And there we go. So he or they are drop shipping this item. So now they're selling it on eBay. Then every time it sells on eBay, they take the money, take the customer's information, go over to Amazon, buy it and have it shipped directly to their customer without ever having to touch the product, and they just keep the profit. Now again, for a full understanding on actually how to do this, I suggest going up here and watching the video in the right hand corner. It may be a video, I might actually link the playlist there so you can learn about dropshipping. But that's essentially it. So if you're in the UK and you are looking to make some money, go ahead and try this out. Learn how to do it first, learn what to list. Again, watch the playlist up here in the right hand corner. Then go ahead and try it out. Now I'm guessing if you are in the UK, you probably have an eBay account and you more than likely have a PayPal account, so it would be really easy for you to start this business and start making money. It's a real simple business model. Again, we don't touch any products. Every time it sells, we take everything, the customer information, then we take the money, go and buy it and have it shipped directly to our customers, never having to touch anything. Now if you have any questions about this, please leave a comment down below and I'll try my hardest to get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.